Have fish too. Nice. Covering my proteins. Nice. Nice. Wait, whoa. Am I gonna meet my macros for today? Wait, that's gotta be a mistake. No, let's see. I'm gonna miss so much gains today, bro. Screw that. Whoa. Weird dream. It's a wild dream. I didn't even know I was dreaming about being a nut like that. But hey, you. We really don't have to worry about being that intense for games right now. What we need to focus on right now is what we can do to live a healthier lifestyle without even stepping into a gym yet. Let's get into that. Okay, so really all we're going to be covering is the concepts of what you can start doing if you want to just start living a healthier life. Like if you're eating terrible, if you just feel lethargic or really tired, and you start questioning like what you want to do in order to just, do better for yourself in a sense. And this is not even remotely stepping into the gym just yet. The first thing that we're going to cover is water. Now, I know water really has a very basic taste, and to some it tastes like the best thing in the world. I need it! But if you don't really like how water tastes, there are different ways around it. And one of those ways is using Mio. I'll leave a link in the description. They are amazing water flavors. Like all you do is just put a couple drops in there and it tastes like, this is cherry blackberry. Now it tastes amazing, and some of them actually have caffeine in it to where you can add a little bit of caffeine. So if you're a person who likes caffeine, then find one of your Mios and enjoy you a Mio Energy. But to really start off, don't worry about how much you need to drink. Just start off with maybe 2 to 3 glasses a day and start increasing it from that point. Don't be hard on yourself if you miss it some days. Just do what you can. But the minimum everybody needs to be drinking is at least 8 glasses a day. So work up to that. The benefits of drinking water are astounding. Like our body is made of 60% water. So if you aren't keeping that intake up, just imagine what your body is doing to compensate of it being 60% water. So it can go from like your mood to your memory to your energy levels. So many things go into the importance of your water intake, and is genuinely crazy because one thing is that's funny for me is I'm always hungry, and if you usually drink water before you go run and eat something, usually it's your body telling you it's dehydrated, which is a fun fact I didn't know. Now, the second thing we are going to talk about is actual physical activity. So it is walking. If you simply want to know how you can start losing weight in a better way, or just get your cardio system going, start walking every day. Now you can pace yourself. I don't mean go walk about an hour a day when you've never walked in your entire life, like in a setting of physical activity. So try to maybe walk 5-10 minutes a day. And then from there, you want to challenge yourself, maybe walk 15 to 30 minutes and increase it to where you feel like you want to make a challenge every time. And the beauty of walking in and of itself can go from boosting your energy to regulating hormones that are involved with energy itself in your own body, such as like cortisol and epinephrine. Don't worry about that. But doing just a little bit of physical activity, even when you haven't even stepped into the gym, goes a long way. So try that out, pace yourself. Don't sit here and be hard on yourself. If you have only made it 4 minutes one day, it's okay. The great thing is that you got up and you made a step forward towards making and doing best for yourself. The next thing, which is very cliche, is eat more fruits. I know they always say the famous saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And it really does. If you eat your apples and all of your fruits, it helps you get, as we were talking about in the previous video of supplements, it helps you get your natural supplements of vitamins and all your minerals and stuff that you normally would not really get if you were to eat your regular meals per day. So if you wanted to, maybe just eat an apple or oranges. Now, here is a shameless plug. I love kiwis. Kiwis are higher in vitamin C than oranges themselves, or maybe borderlining to that point. So you can fact check me, but kiwis are amazing and they're really cool. Like I'm a person that likes how to eat things very cool. So all you have to do is literally split the kiwi and just scoop it like it's ice cream and eat it like that. Like I don't know why. I just think that's really cool. But doing those things, and the number one thing that you can take away is consistency. If you fall off and do it 2 days and then don't pick up and do this stuff for a month on end, you'll never see the results. Like, let's just be real. So if you do it consistently to the point to where you're drinking a decent amount of water, you're walking maybe 15 minutes a day, or working towards 15 minutes a day, and maybe eating one fruit a day, really will help you immensely. And before you even remotely step into the gym, like, you will feel so much better. And this will not only help you prepare your mindset to get into the gym, but it's going to help you mentally, not physically, but it's going to help you physically and mentally. But just like how you guys want to see me be at my best, I want to see you guys at your best. But that's all I have for today. I'm really excited for what I have in store for you guys. Just want y'all to stay along for the ride. Look, if you made it this far already, you already know what to do. You ain't gotta say it. I really don't. But like I always say, until next time.